In this tutorial, we will be learning how to use the Teller Assist feature on your MYFCBOT app. First, open your MYFCBOT app. On the home screen, tap Message. A new chat session will open. You will then be able to message and communicate with a virtual teller located right here in the Coastal Bend. You can even tap on the plus icon and send specific transactions or accounts you would like assistance with. We will respond as soon as possible during regular business hours, Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 9 p.m., and Saturdays, 9 a.m. to noon. Messages sent after hours will be addressed next business day. We can assist with general account changes, account balances, transaction disputes, stop payments, new account information, and much more. Thank you for banking with First Community Bank.